The biggest issues stopping people from making money with YouTube Shorts are these view jail problems: 0 view jail, 15,000 view jail, and 30,000 view jail. These three stages of view jail are something almost every Shorts creator faces. In fact, many creators quit making Shorts entirely because of this issue. The saddest part? I was the #1 victim of this problem. But unlike other creators, I didn't quit. I failed many times. I listened to all those YouTube guru tips, tried everything from buying aged accounts to using specific posting schedules. But guess what? None of their advice worked. I got frustrated. I even started believing I was the unluckiest person ever and cried, wondering why it's not working for me, while others posting nonsense were going viral and making money. Out of pure frustration, I started posting randomly not to make money, but to figure out the real problem. I gave it everything I had for 9 months, and finally, I broke through all the view jails, got millions of views, and started getting paid. And for you, you don't need to spend 9 months like I did. Because in this video, I'm sharing exactly why these view jails happen and how I escaped them. All you need to do is watch until the end. I'm sure you'll enjoy this video. But before we dive in, would you mind tapping that like button and also subscribe? Because this channel is made for creators like you so we can grow together. Let's start with 0 view jail. This is when you post a short, and it gets literally 0 views, not even 1. Before jumping to the solution, let's understand why this happens. Because giving you a solution without explaining the cause is like giving you medicine without telling you what disease you have. Makes no sense, right? There are 3 main reasons you get stuck in 0 views. 1, you look like a bot. This is the most common. You post your first short and a few hours or a day later, bam, 0 views. YouTube thinks you're a bot. You see, YouTube is a billion-dollar platform. They don't want bots or AI-generated content running wild. They want real humans made by God making content. And just because your account is old, even from 2006, that doesn't mean YouTube will trust you. I bought many age channels. Didn't help. The problem was I didn't warm up the account. Whether your channel is new or old, you need to prove to YouTube you're a real person by doing human things. Watch YouTube videos, like and comment, subscribe to others, and share videos. Do this for 4 days, ideally up to 7, but no more than 14. And you'll escape the 0 view jail. And yes, liking this video and subscribing counts too, just saying. 2, you changed your niche suddenly. You might already be getting thousands of views, but then you suddenly switch your niche and boom, 0 views. If you're already getting 10,000, 20,000, or 30,000 views, switching niches abruptly is risky. YouTube has already analyzed your content and audience. If you upload something unrelated, the algorithm gets confused. But don't worry, I'll show you how to change niches properly later in the video. 3, you posted overused viral content. If you're reposting popular viral shorts that have already been posted thousands of times, YouTube may throttle your views. So, if you do repost viral content, make sure to transform it. Add voiceovers, captions, and emojis, on-screen icons, especially in the first 3 seconds. If you avoid these mistakes, congratulations. You've officially escaped 0 view jail. Now, let's move on to the next level, 15K view jail. If you've reached this point, congratulations. YouTube has officially recognized you as a real God-made human. Now, the problem isn't YouTube, it's your shorts packaging. You might be putting in low effort or just downloading videos from TikTok or Reels and uploading them directly to YouTube. That kind of content needs luck to go viral. I'm not saying don't repost content. I'm saying whether it's original or reposted, what really matters is your packaging. What is packaging? To go viral on YouTube Shorts, you only need 3 things: the hook, the retention, and the payoff. Let's break these down. 1. The hook. Think of it like the thumbnail plus title in long videos. In Shorts, people don't see your title or thumbnail. What matters is the first 3 seconds. If you catch their attention, they keep watching. If not, swipe, your video is gone. There are 2 types of hooks. Visual hook, weird objects, arrows, red circles, unexpected scenes. Word hook, asking a question or saying something shocking at the start. Use either or both, but your first 3 seconds must grab attention. 2. The retention. If you're serious about content creation, don't ignore this. Retention is what keeps people watching until the end. You'll find it in movies, viral videos, ads, and top creator content. To boost retention, use good storytelling and use editing. This is optional, depends on your niche. A solid story in the middle, higher chances of going viral. 3. The payoff. This is what viewers are unconsciously waiting for. Maybe you asked a question in the beginning and the answer comes at the end. That's your payoff. If people stay to see the payoff, they watch till the end. That's gold for the algorithm. So, if you apply these 3 parts, hook, retention, and payoff, you'll break through 15,000 view jail. Now, let's talk about the final stage, 30K view jail. At this point, I won't give you any secret hack, because this stage is just a minor difference from 15K view jail. If you're getting 30,000 plus views, YouTube is already giving you big opportunities. But if you're not going viral now, it's likely because you have no strategy, you're not doing research, and you're not analyzing your competitors. You don't need a full overhaul. You just need a tiny fix. Take a look at your video idea, your hook, your retention, your payoff. Tweak just one of these, and there's no reason why your short can't go viral. If you're still watching, I'm 100% sure you enjoyed this video. The only way to show your support, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Got a question? Missed something? Drop it in the comments. I'll reply to everyone. Thanks so much for watching.